what's going on, guys? Welcome back to BC2K. Space BC2K. Don't get that wrong. We're gonna be driving our RC cars today, so be expecting John to fail at driving and me to win. So let's get into it. So we just had a bit of warming up. I figured out I could do a back. Why? Okay, let's keep trying. Remember, try not to get license plates. Nope, battery's dead. Let's take out the other battery. So, I don't know if you guys got that, but what happened was my battery died. And I was trying to do a backflip on that there tree. Yeah. Also, new jacket. A little big, but hey, works for me. So we're going to attach the smaller battery. Can't hold it like that. The smaller battery now. Doesn't go as fast. It's not as powerful. Nor does it last as long. Stupid. I need to find my hoodie, my toque thingy. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, leave me alone. Nice comments only. Yeah, so John's currently getting those, my bat, because I can't find it. So yeah, let's hope all goes well. Alright, we're just waiting for the noise. Yep, that's it. Makes that first noise when you first get it on, then when it connects. Alright, let's try to climb the tree. Nope. Immediately slower than the last one, so no trouble. Is this one dead as well?
Oh, it has to been.
Or am I just not accurate? Oh, close. Whatever. Stupid. I need to find my beanie. Alright. Remember, let's go onto the road. Got. Safely get down, kids. Oh, what? What? Oh. It's over here. I think, yep, that car's turning. Try not to film my butt. Entertainment! Go! John, okay, can I drive through the water?
Don't go to the water. Keeks, no. Keeks, don't get it wet right now.
Exactly, why should I not get it wet?
Because then the batteries could get wet and it's going to shrink the battery. I can't even see it anymore.
See that full 360?
You gotta do one closer to the camera where I can see it.
Yeah, okay, fine. Then how can I race? You know you can also pinch to get it closer.
Ow!
Oh, are you okay?
Dude!
I did not mean to do that. Ooh, that hurt. Wait, we're gonna go over there. Got it? Too big of a ledge for me. That's not supposed to do that. But okay. Meow. Alright, we'll try to pull some tricks right here. So, I know that we can do this, right? Nope. Okay, just give me a second. Give him one of those, right? Then we can also... Yeah, I guess that's really it. I can pull one of those. think I could front flip up to here?
Probably.
We're gonna try that. That didn't even do a backflip. Gainer is the technical term. Whoa, handstand. Ha! I actually want to try that.
Oh, you still landed on the wheels.
Ew. That like kangaroo kicked it. Well, got him. All right, this way. Wait. We're doing photobomb over there. She's making a TikTok, so we're gonna photobomb her. Give me a second to get over there. Seriously, that would have been it.
Cakes, Brom just text you.
Pardon?
I think it was Brom that just texted you.
All right.
I mean, it's a little
Cartwheel!
It's not like you guys have to get up in the morning.
Pardon?
It's not like you guys have to get up in the morning. He has no school, you go. Oh,
Online. All kids have to do it online.
yeah, but
I don't because I'm homeschooled. See how I totally flipped that? Wait, let's go into the back. Actually, let's not. Work on the driving skills. Keep grinding. That hurt my inner. Hey, all right. Well, both our batteries are dead. John still has another one. Well, mine isn't dead. My truck's broken. So gotta get that fixed. Boy, this is perfect lighting. All right, we're filming here. That's a fire truck. I have a feeling something happened. Definitely. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. If you did, I know some of you just skipped to the end, like me, watching the video one time, so it gets one view. What can I say except it's what I have to do. Not have to, but nobody watches my vids unless they're good, okay? Like, honestly, recommend this to one friend, I dare you. Alright, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and sub button. And maybe even that bell if you feel like you can.